Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this easy, flawless, non-cakey base from all the products that I got from Myntra on amazing deals. I enjoyed shopping on Myntra so much because I found everything I wanted in one place, and all the links, as you know, are going to be in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. But for now, let's get started. So I'm going to be moisturizing and priming my face with the Bobbi Brown enriched face base. This is a great moisturizer and primer. It gives me hydration that my dry skin needs more than anything, and I like to massage it into my skin, especially this time of the year, and it gives me a beautiful glow. So for my foundation, I'm going to be using the Mamaearth Glow Serum Foundation. I think I finally found an affordable foundation that does what it says. Gives me very beautiful coverage with a beautiful skin-like finish. For my concealer also, I'm going to be using the Mamaearth Vitamin C Concealer. I believe in using a foundation and concealer from the same brand because they're simply just made to work with each other. And this gives my under eyes a very hydrated look. Don't forget to check out this foundation and concealer combo from the links in the description. For my blush, I'm using the MAC Go Clay blush, and this is such a pretty blush. This is in the shade Blush Please. It has a cream finish but goes on like a powder but looks like a cream. It's a beautiful product. For my highlighter, I'm using the MAC Strobe cream. I have a trick to use it. I blend it on my hand first and then take it on my blender and just lightly dab it on my skin. Gives me the most natural glow ever. For my powder, I'm using the Sugar Loose powder to set my under eye and my acne spots. Again, taking my beauty blender and just making sure everything's nice and blended. Then I moved on with bronzer, and you guys can see the difference. I used the Sugar Contour de Force bronzer. So for my lips, I'm going to be using the Benefit Play Tint. This is my favorite lip and cheek tint right now, and I'm just going to apply it. And then on top, I'm using the Bobbi Brown Plump Lip Serum. This is a very light hydrating lip oil sort of a treatment. Gives my lips a luscious, beautiful look. I'm going to set everything using the Smashbox Primer Essence, and you guys can see the final look. I love how seamless and flawless my base looks. You can also subscribe to Myntra Beauty's YouTube channel for more such tutorials and beauty videos. And that's how easy it is to create this flawless, easy, non-cakey, dewy, glowy base that is perfect for this time of the year. I think the key here is to just know how to use your creams and powders properly, and I hope you got to learn that in today's video. I got all the products that I used in today's video on Myntra because I loved shopping on Myntra. Now they have a separate Myntra beauty section which has a big selection of brands and fast delivery. All the links are in the description box below, so go get shopping. And that's all from my side. Let me know how you found this video. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Miss My Blush, and I'll see you super soon in my next video. Bye bye.